I'm Maddie Gionet from Corning Incorporated, and this is Inspired by Glass. What do you get when you pair one of the world's leading innovators in glass and materials science with an architectural glass finisher? A plethora of innovative ideas and a showroom demonstrating how the glass age is thriving in the architecture industry. Welcome to the Innovation Center, where products enabled by advanced glass technologies come to life. In collaboration with Elevecture, Corning is pushing the boundaries of high-tech glass to deliver state-of-the-art solutions to architects and designers. Ready to take a look around? I'm joined by Keith Glevins, Commercial Director of Architecture at Corning, who helped create the vision behind the Innovation Center. Keith, I can feel the buzz of innovation all around us.
Well, that's great to hear, Maddie, because we designed it for our customers and to really show how we're innovating in the architecture space.
What Corning technologies are featured here?
One of the first ones I want to show you is our Gorilla Glass product. So Gorilla Glass, again, can be put over a whole variety of materials. It can be decorated, it can be painted. This is a pretty unique one in that we've got a real wood veneer between two pieces of Gorilla Glass. On the one side you've got regular Gorilla, and on the other side you have what we call anti-glare Gorilla Glass. The neat thing about anti-glare is the velvety, smooth feeling and the fact that you can't even tell there's glass over it. So I want to talk a little bit about our lighting products now. The first one that we have is OLED lighting, organic light emitting diodes. As you can see, it's very thin and cool to the touch. If you reach out and touch that, you barely feel any heat. Also, from a lighting product standpoint, we have what we call Corning Vibrance light diffusing fiber. You can etch out of acrylic and place it in there. You can run it along the floor, right, so that you have wayfinding, a whole variety of uses. Great applications for this, many of which we haven't even thought of yet. And finally, we have our Optical Communications. Have here Optical Fiber. You can't quite see it because it's so thin. I have a variety of strands in there. Also, combined in this cable, we also run copper. So now we have the ability to create the energy for antennas and other applications.
How will advanced glass and other Corning technologies play a role in the future of architectural solutions?
Well, Maddie, as you know, innovation is in Corning's DNA. And we started in the architecture business just 3 or 4 years ago. And already you see all of the new products that we're bringing into this innovation center. We're going to be continually bringing new products to market, whether they be the architectural glass or lighting or in-network solutions.
Let's talk with Leanne Friedman, president of Elevecture, whose company decorates with Corning Gorilla Glass on a variety of materials, such as wood, metal, and fabric, for elevator interiors, lobbies, millwork, and even lighting. Leanne, thanks so much for joining me today.
Thanks for coming down to the Innovation Center to see what Elevecture is all about and our glass and how we decorate it for architects. And I'm just excited to talk to you about all that we do here.
How are Corning products such as Corning Gorilla Glass providing a durable yet elegant solution for interior architecture?
Elevecture panels using Corning Gorilla Glass is an amazing durable solution for architects, interior designers, and building developers. And so now they have the opportunity to use glass in places that they couldn't before because it was too heavy.
Leanne, talk to me a little bit about the different solutions that Elevecture can provide to architects and interior designers.
So this is a solution wall. It's just an example of what different architects have brought to us to laminate and finish for them. Each panel has a serial mark, so therefore we can replace it very easily instead of replacing a whole back wall. So economically, it actually made more sense. What's interesting is, see how this piece reflects? Mm-hmm. This one doesn't. Okay. This actually is a piece of real veneer that has a piece of the AG, anti-glare Corning Gorilla Glass on top of it. Not only can't you sort of tell that there's no glass, but the fingerprints, you get much less fingerprinting on this material. So I know we've talked a little bit about the difference between Gorilla Glass and float glass, which is regular glass. Green.
Thick.
Green. Feel how heavy.
Heavy.
Here, take a piece of our glass.
Wow.
It is much easier, faster, and cheaper to install at some times than regular float glass. Also, what happens with float glass is the green. How many architects want white? They want pristine white. Guess what? With Gorilla Glass and Elevexture, you get pristine white. We've talked about how we're problem solvers. We're not just material finishers or a glass company. We're actually innovators and problem solvers.
We've only just begun to introduce our innovative glass solutions to the architecture world, but we're excited to see what spaces they appear in. Whether on the walls of a lobby or the panels in an elevator, Corning's advanced glass solutions are providing architects and designers with more freedom and the added benefits of being lightweight, durable, optically clear, and damage resistant. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, I'm Maddie Gionet, and this is Inspired by Glass.